My name is Clarissa Barnes, and this is Gentle Hands Home Health. So we provide personal care services and in-home services. We take care of our clients from feeding to bathing to cooking, companionship. So maybe someone just needs to have a sitter and someone sit with them, grocery shopping to grooming, you name it. We try to really just be there for both personal and supportive care services. People should choose Gentle Hands because we provide excellent service to our clients. We try to really be hands-on with our clients. We love on them. We encourage them. We support them. We have wellness resources and tips that we also provide. And we just really try to make sure that they're being well taken care of.
I am a caregiver for my mom. She's 62. The reason why I chose to do it for my mom is because I know in my heart no one else will take care of her like I will.
What makes what I do here different from others, I would say just the compassion that I have as a business owner, and also that compassion is shared with the caregivers. On the onboarding training, I try to make sure I instill that same skill set into them to let them know that this is something to be taken seriously when you're dealing with lives of your loved ones or someone else you may be taking care of, a friend or family. I try to just really make sure that folks understand the seriousness of it. Came up with Gentle Hands from vision from God, and I really thought about hands. When you think about the hands that you're using and you're working with, you have to be gentle with them. You have to be caring and loving with them. So I put the word gentle and hands together, and voila, came up with Gentle Hands.
When it comes to this job for Clarissa, you'll know that she looks out for people, and she works hard, and she makes sure everybody is good, no matter what.
I am a loving person. Maybe others don't know that, or many people don't know that about me. I do a lot for the community. I do a lot for my clients and my caregivers outside of the business aspect. I have a heart for people. I will be that kid that would go around to each and every loved one as I left grandma's house and give everyone a hug, even the strangers. And I just love to love on people. And then I think as I grew into my profession, into my career, into some things that I do at church, the passion grew even stronger, just to really be there for people. I think that I love it, just to love on people. I love loving on people.
I'm just starting to see that, I would want somebody to be there for me when I can't be there for myself.
One of the things that I've learned that you have to find somebody that you can work well with, and that this agency's out there. I think that it's very informative for people to take care of their family and loved ones, and it's optional for them to be able to do it while they're working.
I would want someone to say that we are top notch. I would want someone to say that, we are caring, we're gentle with our hands, we're loving. I would want someone to say that they feel encouraged, that they feel supported. I would want someone to say that they feel informed. Let's say there's a question or a concern that they have, that they feel welcome to come to the office or either to their caregiver to be able to have the questions answered at a level of comfort. I would want them to say that they feel appreciated, that they feel like, this is an agency that really is for me and has my best interest at heart. I would want them to say those things.